How to fix Free Fire top-up problem in iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. There are various reasons why Free Fire top-up problem might show up. First, app not available on the App Store after ban. In some regions like India, Free Fire was removed from the App Store due to government bans. So, if the game is not installed through the App Store or in-app purchases, top-up might not work properly. Next, Free Fire Max does not support iOS payments everywhere. So, even if you have Free Fire Max, top-ups might not show up if the app is not fully integrated with Apple's payment system in your region. And next, payment option missing or error in-game. This happens if the app was side-loaded, downloaded, from another region or if your Apple ID region does not match your payment method. So the solutions or the workaround is firstly change Apple ID region. So go ahead and create a new Apple ID with regions set to Singapore, UAE, Brazil, etc. and further log in with that Apple ID and download Free Fire if available. This might re-enable in-app purchases and top-ups. Note that you might need a payment method or none at all. You can also use third-party top-up websites trusted only, such as Coda Shop, Games Corrido if working, and CGM or Razor Gold. Also, you can try to reinstall from official App Store if available. So delete and reinstall the Free Fire application from your App Store and not the third-party sources, and make sure you are using a valid Apple ID with payment method. And if your country banned Free Fire, then you can also try to use VPN. Some users install via VPN or change regions to bypass bans, but this violates the terms of service and may lead to account bans or issues with purchases not being delivered. So this is how you can fix Free Fire top-up problem in iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.